equals 68. Ayan. Wait ka. Sinagay yung sagot mo, mali yan. Naintindihan mo, ha? Yung sagot mo, mali na yan. O, next. 55 men and 42 women are lining up to buy tickets for a new film. 42 women. How many people want to buy tickets? 42 women, 55 men and 42 women. How many people want to buy tickets? What is the largest two-digit even number? What number goes into the blank? Kinig. Blank plus 34 equals 93. 34 equals 93. Plus na naman. Diba nawawalaan namin yun eh? Kung nawawalaan namin yung difference, lagi kang mag-ano, subtract. Eh, pag nawawala ang, ano ba nawawala? Million, saka, yun. Subtract pa rin ang gagawin mo. Meron ka ng sagot eh. Ay, ang nawawala ay added. Pag isa sa added na nawawala, lagi kang mag-subtract. Okay, next. Ano sagot mo? Ano sagot mo? Ano sagot mo? 65. 9 minus 45. Okay, next. What is the next number in 93, 87, 81, 75? Black. Okay. 79, bakit? Apa? 92, 90, 89, 88, 87. Okay, that's 6. O dito, 75, pababa. 74, tapos, by 6. 60, ulitin mo nga, 75, bagal mo pa. 73, 72, 74, 70. By 60 ba? Kasi, o ito. Tama na, away na. Ganun lang. Next. Which number is the smallest? Hindi. Which number is the smallest? 67, 69, 60, 88, 75. Ilugan, alilugan. Ano ba? Nasok na.